this is going to be the elevator at 550 Burrard Street in Vancouver. I was told they had Otis Series 3 here, but guess whoever told me is wrong. Jordan, Vancity Elevators, you're in deep trouble. I'm just kidding. But I was expecting a Series 3 here. Alright, let's go to 34. Go up to 33, that's the highest we can go. Alright, here we go. Going down?
Yep.
Just doing a video. These super fast elevators. It's a hobby of mine, yeah. Whoa. Have a nice day. Oh, going up?
Yep.
What floor?
33.
Here we go. Have a nice day. It's pretty nice, actually. Whoa. Hello. Yeah, this is fast. These have Series 2 fixtures. Whoa, my ear just popped. There it goes. That's it.